Your MRI shows degenerative disc disease at multiple levels, disc desiccation, loss of disc height, and facet joint and facet joint arthropathy.
Terrifying. But here's the thing. That could be an MRI on someone who doesn't actually even have pain. Pain is multifactorial. It could be influenced by sleep, stress, the amount of movement that you've done, even your diet. And an MRI is just a picture in time of what the structure of your body looks like. It's like showing wrinkles or smile lines on the inside. It's something that's normal as you age. That's why at Bend Movement, we treat the person, not the picture. We get a sense of where their limitations are, what their goals are, and that points us to what we need to work on. Rather than worrying about the issues that show up on your imaging, why not worry about what you can do about it instead?